first take you through that, then I'll give you some more tips on how do we prepare for SSB. So we start off with screening stage. In screening, we first we tell about what OIR is, what is a verbal test, what is a non-verbal test, talking about the different kind of questions you should be solving, sharing with you some practice sheets, and thereafter going for any kind of question series that you might actually be finding it difficult. Let's say for some people, cubes, dice could be difficult. For other people, embedded figures can be a difficult topic. Thereafter, PPDT. In PPDT, it is first telling about how to look at a given picture, how to write a story, weave a story around it, how to narrate a story very well, eventually how to participate in a group discussion. If you get nominated, how can you speak the story efficiently? How to tackle fish market situation, which is a major issue for a lot of people, especially if you are in a repeaters group. This is like a very big issue for you, especially if there is a feeling that you're not very good at communicating your thoughts and you feel that people take the better of you, and it is very difficult to get into the actual act of speaking when everybody else overpowers you. Thereafter, we go over OLQs. It takes about 2 odd days or 3 sometimes, because this is the main thing that we work for the second stage of SSB. After this, discussion about your PIQ form, so that a proper PIQ form can be filled. Why is a PIQ form so crucial? Before you enter your interviewing officer's room, your PIQ form goes. If an interviewing officer spends about 5 to 10 minutes reading a PIQ, it, number one, has to be different than what others have written. If 10 people are going to the same interviewing officer, therefore it should create that first level of distinction of how you are different than others, the way you fill it in, the way you organize your thoughts and declutter your thoughts, write them down on that piece of paper. If it is an online PIQ form that you filled, again, how it is that you have filled that form. This form also goes to your psychologist. A psychologist never gets to see you in the entire SSB. Only on the conference day, a psychologist sees you. So any kind of story or words or SRTs or self-description that you write, it is again based on this. So it is not just another information form. This carries a lot of value. The more detail you put into this, the better it is for you. Thereafter, we begin with the second stage of SSB, first covering psychology test in the format of TAT, VAT, SRT, and self-description. While you're doing this, we also work on Johari's window, SWOT analysis. These 2 things are very important for you to understand who you are as a person. So these are some things which help you in self-introspection, not only with respect to SSB, but in general with respect to what kind of person you are. Ma'am, what is, okay, Johari's window, I'll just give you a small example. It is a model like this. In Johari's window, we talk about 4 different zones of our personality. One zone is something that you know about yourself and others also know about you. Second zone, things that you know about yourself but others do not know about you. Third is things that others know about you but you don't know about yourself. Fourth is the dark zone, things which neither you know about yourself nor others know about you. This is Johari's window model in short. So this would take you some time to work on it, and it is crucial for SSB because SSB is basically the personality you have. Now, when I mean SWOT analysis, with SWOT analysis, I mean talking about making a list of things. What are the things? Your strengths, your weaknesses,